Hi there, I'm finally back after a long hiatus. In this video, I want to talk about what you can expect from my YouTube channel in 2022. I'll also give you a sneak peek of some of the new content I'm working on. A lot of things have changed since I've last uploaded a video. We moved to a new house, and now I have a dedicated home office, which is great for videography. The studio is not yet complete, but it's getting there. So here are my plans for my YouTube channel. In the meantime, my mic decided to live a separate life, but let me try to fix it. Anyway, here are my plans for my YouTube channel. First, I want to continue creating quality content. That's always been my #1 priority, and it will continue to be in 2022. There are many programming-related topics that I want to cover. And I'll also introduce a new Code Challenges series that I'm really excited about. Second, I plan to diversify the content on my channel. Starting this year, in addition to programming tutorials, you can expect to see videos on topics such as math, logic, and physics. I'll also talk about project management, developing a successful career in programming, work-life balance, and health tips. I'll talk about the mistakes I've made so you can avoid them, and I'll share my tips for success. So that's my plan for 2022. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Now, to give you an example of what you can expect from my channel, here's an interesting math problem. Assuming that A equals B, we can write A times B equals A squared. Next, I'll subtract b squared from both sides of the equation. Now we've got a times b minus b squared equals a squared minus b squared. I divide the left side by b, which gives us b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. And as you probably recall from math class, the difference of squares can be factored as the product of the sum and difference of the same two terms. So we'll get b times a minus b equals a plus b times a minus b. Now we can divide both sides by a minus b. The equation becomes b equals a plus b. However, since we stated that a equals b, we can replace b with a. So we'll get a equals a plus a, that is, a equals 2a. And now I can simplify both sides of the equation with a, and the final result is 1 equals 2. That's pretty interesting, isn't it? Hit the like button if you're enjoying this problem. Now, can you tell me where did I go wrong? Pause the video and try to figure it out before watching the explanation. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with the fact that A is equal to B. So, where did I go wrong? If you recall, we stated that A is equal to B. That means that A minus B is 0. At this point in the proof, the mistake that I made was dividing both sides of the equation by a minus b. In other words, I performed the division by 0, which is undefined. When we try to divide by 0, things stop making sense. We may have just learned a valuable lesson here. Whatever follows an invalid step in math is also invalid. That's also true for programming. If you make a mistake in your code, it will affect everything that comes after it. So that's an example of the kind of content you can expect from my channel in 2022. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.